Why proper ventilation is bloody essential. A professional kitchen is a pressure cooker. Flames are flying. Sizzling sounds fill the air. Steam billows from pots and pans. It's hot. It's intense. It's bloody chaos sometimes. But lurking in that chaos is an invisible enemy. This enemy is bad air, contaminated air. If you don't deal with it, you're asking for trouble. Big trouble. So listen up, you lot. This is not a drill. It's about survival. Poor ventilation. It's a recipe for disaster. Grease builds up everywhere. On the walls, on the ceiling. Smoke fills the room, making it hard to breathe. Nasty fumes from cooking and cleaning chemicals linger. This isn't just about making the place smell nice. It's about fire hazards. Real, actual fires. It's about health risks for your team. Do you want your chefs collapsing? No. So get it sorted, now. The well-being of your staff is paramount. They work bloody hard in intense conditions. Breathing in smoke and grease fumes all day. That's not good for anyone's lungs. It leads to headaches, dizziness, and worse. And think about the food. Yes, the food. If the air is foul, it can affect the taste. Nobody wants a beautiful dish tainted by stale, greasy air. Fresh air means a fresh kitchen and fresh food. So proper ventilation is not some fancy add-on. It's a fundamental part of a functioning kitchen. It's as important as your sharpest knives or best pans. It keeps the air clean and breathable. It reduces the risk of fires breaking out. It protects your staff and your customers. It ensures your food tastes absolutely stunning. Without it, your kitchen is a ticking time bomb. Understand? Good. So, how do these magnificent systems actually work? It's not black magic, even if it seems like it. The main job is simple. Get the bad air out. Capture all that smoke, steam and grease. Then, chuck it outside where it can't cause harm. It's about extraction, pulling the rubbish away. This keeps the kitchen air cleaner, safer. It's a constant battle against airborne nasties. And the ventilation system is your best soldier. There are key parts to any good system. First, you have the hoods, big metal canopies. These sit right above your cooking equipment. They are the front line capturing the gunk. Then there's ductwork. Think of these as tunnels. These metal channels carry the dirty air away. And finally, powerful fans. These are the engines. They suck the air through the ducts and expel it. Each part has to work perfectly together. But it's not just about taking air out. You have to bring fresh air back in too. This is called make-up air. It's crucial. If you only suck air out, you create a vacuum. This can cause all sorts of problems. Doors might become hard to open. Flames on gas burners might get pulled out. So the system must be balanced. Bad air out, fresh air in. Simple. Not every kitchen is the same, obviously. A small cafe needs a different setup than a massive hotel kitchen. The design depends on the size of your space. It depends on the type of cooking you do. Lots of frying and grilling means more grease. More grease means you need a more powerful system. A qualified engineer will design the right system. They consider everything to keep your kitchen safe. Don't try to bodge this yourself, you muppets. Now, let's talk about the hoods themselves. There are mainly two types you need to know. The first is Type 1. These are the heavyweights. They are also called grease hoods, for a good reason. These are designed for equipment that produces grease. Think fryers, griddles, charbroilers, woks. They have special filters to trap that grease. This stops it from clogging up the ductwork, and importantly, reduces fire risk. Seriously. Then you have Type 2 hoods, lighter duty. These are sometimes called condensate or heat hoods. They are used for appliances that don't produce grease. Think ovens, steamers, and dishwashers. These appliances mainly release heat and steam. Type 2 hoods capture this moisture and heat. This helps to keep the kitchen comfortable. It also prevents condensation from dripping everywhere, which can be a slip hazard or just plain unhygienic. There are also smarter systems emerging now. Demand-controlled kitchen ventilation, or DCKV. This is clever stuff. It's not on full blast all day. It uses sensors to detect cooking activity. If you're not cooking much, the fan slows down. If all stations are firing, it ramps up. This saves a massive amount of energy, which means it saves you money on bills, and it's better for the bloody planet too. Some cooking methods need even more specific solutions. If you have a big wood-fired pizza oven, for example, or a massive charcoal grill giving off loads of smoke, these might need specialized extraction systems, perhaps with extra filtration or different hood designs. The key is to match the ventilation to the hazard. Always consult with professionals. They will tell you exactly what you need. Don't cut corners on safety, ever. Technology isn't just for your phone, you know. It's making kitchen ventilation systems much smarter. We're talking about advanced sensors now. These can monitor air quality in real time. They can detect smoke, grease particles, and even specific gases. The system can then adjust itself automatically. No more guessing if the fan speed is right. The system thinks for itself, making life easier and ensuring optimal performance all the time. Energy efficiency is a massive deal these days. Older ventilation systems can be energy guzzlers. Running powerful fans all day costs a fortune. Modern systems are designed to be much more efficient. Variable speed drives for fans save a lot of power. Heat recovery units are also brilliant. They capture heat from the exhaust air, then use it to warm up the incoming fresh air. This reduces your heating bills. Smart, eh? Filtration technology has come a long way too. It's not just basic grease filters anymore. We have advanced options like electrostatic precipitators or UVC light systems that neutralize grease and odors. These can remove even smaller particles from the air. This means the air exhausted outside is cleaner, and the air inside your kitchen is much healthier. This is vital for your staff's long-term health. Cleaner air means fewer sick days, more productivity. So upgrading your ventilation is a no-brainer. The benefits are absolutely massive. Trust me. First, health and safety. This is paramount. Protect your staff from fumes and reduce fire risks. Second, efficiency. Save energy, save money. Modern systems pay for themselves over time. Third, compliance. Regulations are strict for a reason. A modern system helps you meet all legal standards. Stop messing about with outdated kit. Invest in the best. Your kitchen, your staff, and your customers will thank you. Now get on with it.